syempre, Pampanga, hello!
Hello po everyone. Hello
yes,
po.
Congratulations to you. Isa ka sa mga napili for the Best in Talent. Sa 10 kayo, isa ka sa napili. How does it feel now?
It really feels great po. Actually, natawag po ako. Parang gusto ko pong umiyak eh. Kasi I know I work hard po and nag-training and nag-practice po talaga ako and it pays off naman po.
Oo, speaking of training and practice, sa very busy schedules nyo, nakapag-practice pa kayo at ganun kagaling.
Yes po, kasi before po ako pumunta dito, before you start ng competition po, I make sure naman po na after my work, I go with my trainer po para at least makapag-practice po kami. So, we really work hard po. Nung una po, online lang. Sinendan niya po ako ng music, ng video, kung paano po pwede. Then, habang hindi pa po kami nag-meet, pinapractice ko na po by mind and by home, and until that time po nung nagkita kami, talagang puspusan na po.
Can I just ask what's that all about? What's that dance? Kasi parang, ano yan eh, di ba? Parang dance of the Pampangueños, I think.
Apo. Actually, it is a ethnic dance po, na kung saan po, it's a modern ethnic dance. It really shows po how the masculinity po ng mga ating mga kababayan po, that hindi lang po tayo basta malakas, we are also graceful in every dances that we have. And also po, kung makita nyo po doon sa video sa LED, I showed po doon different kinds of cultures, the food, yung mga places that you can see in Mexico, Pampanga.
Do you think that dance will gonna make you one of the fast track para sa final round?
Cross finger po, hoping, kasi sayang naman po yung pinagpaguran kung hindi. So, as long na napili po ko as part of the 10, so there's still hope, and I believe naman po in God's perfect timing and plan po sa akin.
Okay, what do you think yung magiging bala mo para tuluyan mong makuha ang corona at maibigay sa mga Pampangueños?
Definitely po, it's my heart and it's my passion. Kasi I always believe naman po, 5 years or 10 years from now po, I will be no longer in the pageant, but I will return in Pampanga as a teacher, and I will bring that learning po, yung experience ko po dito in Pampanga, so that I may help more people. I may share my learnings, my experiences, and motivate, inspire them to achieve their own goals. So definitely po, yung magiging bala ko po dito is yung puso ko po talaga na gusto ko manalo. I would like to show to everyone po na you don't need to become perfect for you to become king. All you have to do is to be authentic.
Yeah. That's the best thing, to be authentic, isn't it? So lastly, what do you think, in one word, is the real meaning of King of the World Philippines?
For me po, the real meaning of a King of the World Philippines is a learner. Kasi a king, we should always be a learner po. He must learn how to love, respect, and understand his people, his own ideas, his own conscience po. Not because you are king, you are dominant or superior to anyone. At the end of the day, you must also learn different kinds of things. You have your mentor, you have your trainer, so that ano man pong gawin mo, it will become in a proper way, in a planned way. Because, di ba po, parang if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So, a king should always be a learner. Hindi po siya titigil na matuto hanggang makuha niya po yung proper and tamang bagay para i-lead niya yung kingdom niya. And I always believe naman po, for us to build a king, it requires a kingdom. It's not a one-man race po.
Yeah, it takes a village to make a king, isn't it?
Yes.
So we'll be waiting for you, Pampanga, tomorrow and the next days to come because of your Chukchakero point. I think that's your trend, isn't it? So we'll be waiting for you to be on the mic para sa ating final round. Say you and congratulations in advance and good luck to your journey here at King of the World Philippines.
Thank you po. Thank you so much po.
Thank you.